We all know Filipino food is heavy on the meats. Is it possible to make vegan Filipino sisig just as tasty? Find out right here on Good Life Cooking. What up, y'all? It's your boy BCD in the house, and you are now rocking to another episode of Good Life Cooking. Today we got the tastiest vegan sisig ever. Best of all, it can be done in 30 minutes. That's right, 30 minutes, y'all, and you got a slamming meal. Now, my girlfriend Kitty absolutely loves Filipino food, so it was super important for me to figure out how do I make this dish as authentic as possible, but also how do I make it efficient so that I can make it literally once a week and have it be a part of our everyday meal cycle. It may look super complicated, but trust me, it's really not. Super simple. For those of you who are not familiar with sisig, it's typically comprised of sizzling onions, peppers, and meat together. What we're gonna do to replace the meat is use a tofu and a mushroom to give it that texture and that savoriness. The trick to the mushrooms is to cube it up and cut it into really small pieces. 30 minutes, y'all, and you got a slamming meal. Let's go. Half an onion, 1 block of firm tofu, about half a pound of mushrooms, half of a red bell pepper, 4 tablespoons of silver swan soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cane vinegar. You gotta use the Filipino brand soy. You're gonna need vegan mayo, 1 lime, some garlic powder, 3 cloves of garlic. First step is to dice the tofu and get that into the fryer to give it texture and crispiness. Once the tofu is done, we'll lightly season with some garlic powder and salt and toasted rice powder for nuttiness. Next is to fry up the peppers and onions and caramelize the mushrooms together, adding the pine nuts on top. Once we have all that done, we can add half of our soy and vinegar mixture and give it a nice toss. Finally, we'll go ahead and combine all ingredients into the pan and sizzle to perfection. When everything's done, we'll kill the heat and stir in some mayo for that final touch of creamy richness. Finally, we'll top it off with some lime and green onion for garnish. All right, y'all, so there you have it. Delicious, savory sisig. What I like to do is enjoy it over a bed of rice and even throw like some sriracha sauce on it or any type of like hot sauce you prefer. So good, so good. I forgot to mention it, but this dish actually will cost you about like in the ballpark of $8 to $10, and it could probably feed like a family of 3 to 4. No joke. This is the ultimate vegan meal right here. Kitty with the Tola Visuals is behind the camera. Kitty, what do you think? Do you approve of this vegan sisig?
Sai.
She says it's aight, even though she eats it every single day. Hope you found this cooking video helpful. Hope you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. This is BCD Good Life Cooking. Live that vegan life, baby. I'm out. Peace. Time for me to go enjoy some of this damn sisig. Ooh, you guys gotta try this. It's so good. Delicious texture, always amazing. Sisig, done, out. Peace. Laters.